flash floods inundate parts of Vientiane Capital. Hours of torrential rain yesterday evening have left parts of Vientiane Capital completely inundated after flash flooding. A heavy downpour from night until the early hours of the morning triggered flash floods and turned major roads into rivers in several areas. Sikhottabong District saw floodwaters waist-deep in some villages, inundating homes and preventing vehicles from traveling. Residents have reported being unable to exit or enter homes, while some vehicles came to a halt in the middle of roads as waters rose too high.
ไปเวียกไปงานกันเลย คือเบิ่งระดับเนาะว่าไป
ที่บ่ได้ขี่เรือไปการแล้วว่าจะสิต้องมีเรือบ่